Hello students, today we are starting 7th chapter lines and angles. First of all, we will discuss what is a line. A line has no end point, that is it can be extended from both sides. Here L is a line and it can be extended from both sides. Next is line segment. Line and line segment both are different things. A line has no endpoint, but a line segment has two endpoints. It can never be extended from any side. For example, here LAB is a line segment where A and B are two endpoints. Next is ray. A ray has one endpoint and from another side it can be extended. Here OA is a ray. Next is what is an angle? An angle is an inclination between two rays with the same initial point, that is starting point. An angle is made by using two rays with same starting point. In this figure, AOB is an angle AOB, and it is formed by using two rays OA and OB. These rays are known as arms of the angle, and O is the starting point and it is known as vertex of the angle. And we can also classify the angles based on their size. This is classification of angles. First is acute angle. First of all, there is acute angle. Acute angle is always more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Here 50 degree angle is acute angle. Next is right angle. Right angle is always equal to 90 degree. 90 degree angle is always known as right angle. Next is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is always more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. For example, here 110 degree angle is made and it is obtuse angle. Next is straight angle. Straight angle is a straight line and it is always equal to 180 degree. Next is reflex angle and it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Here 210 degree angle is made and it is a reflex angle because it is more than 180 but less than 360 degree. And the last one is complete angle and it is 360 degree. This angle is of 360 degree. And these are this is classification of angles.